Here I have OPPO A1 and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. To do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar and here you can find the button screen recording. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can record system sound, you can record microphone sound. You can change picture definition, you can change its frame rate, you can record front camera video, you can show screen touches, and you can also change video coding format. So to start recording, just tap on this button once. Allow. This kind of menu pops up. So here you can switch sound settings too. So to start recording, just tap on the red button and the recording is on. As you can see, camera works, shows my screen touches. You can pause the recording by tapping on this red button, then you can play it again. And when you're done recording, just tap on this tick icon here. And after that, the recording will be saved to the gallery, to the album videos, and here it is. And from here you can share, favorite, edit, delete your recording or perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.